Alright, this video is the basics in Illustrator. File, New. Alright, so for this example, we're going to use print, so you can come to print. And over here on the right, you have your preset details. We're going to go ahead and give our file a name, so we're going to call it exercise 1, dash, never use spaces in your file naming, last name. Because it's for print, we're going to use inches, so we select here inches. We're going to make our artboard square, so we're going to do 8. If I tab, I can move between the width, the units of measurement, and the height. So I'm going to do 8 again. And you can see that it's automatically set to CMYK because it's Illustrator and 300 ppi. We'll say create. Now, I can zoom out by using Command and the minus sign. So you can see that Illustrator, this dark gray is all the places I can have artboards. I can zoom in by using Command plus sign. So this is my artboard. Over in my tools, you can see there it looks like a little piece of paper with crop marks. This is my Artboard Tool. When I select it, you can see that blue dotted lines go around my current artboard. You can see that my artboard has a 0, 1, and then it's called Artboard 1, so that means this is the first artboard. There is a panel called Artboards that shows me my artboards. I can open and shut that through Window, Artboards. Window, Artboards. You can see it's unchecked. If I check it, it's going to show up. I can make a new artboard when in my tools artboard is selected. If I drag, I now have 0, 2, so this is Artboard 2. I can see its size for what's selected, so if I still using the Artboard tool, select Artboard 1, you can see it's 8 by 8. If I wanted a second 8 by 8 to experiment, I could either draw it from the beginning 8 by 8 or I can change its size. I can drag it to the position that I want. I can zoom out, again, Command minus sign. If I click off my artboard to another tool, like my selection tool, you can see that now I can no longer move my artboard. If I zoom in, which you can use your magnifying glass tool as well, and I go to my selection tool, you can see that a black solid line selects the artboard that I'm on. It also changes the selection in my artboard window panel here. I can change the name of my artboard by clicking on the words in Artboard. So Artboard 1 could be, let's see, Preview, and Artboard 2 could be Final. And if I click back to my Artboard button, I can see now the naming has changed here. The numbers indicate the order that these pages will be shown if you save as a PDF. If I want to change my order, I can drag them in my artboard panel. So I can click and drag. I can also use this arrow icon to change the order.